Hello and welcome back to my video. In this video I will show how you can use Vuetify. It's the UI interface, like if you know Bootstrap, but Vuetify is a Vue.js UI plugin. So let's starting and add it first from the beginning. The first you need to do is type Vue, create and then a project. Let's call it Vuetify basic. Then it's taking a little bit, and we're just taking default. And we're just waiting. It depends on how fast it can install, so it should not take so long time. And then we are ready. We're going for Vuetify, and then npm run serve. And then you can see it's starting up the developer server. It's compiling. And then I open my server up here. You can see now the Vue.js app is installed. Everything is fine. So we can open the project here. You can see we have the app and we have the component here. It's everything. I just installed my plugin here, and I'm going back, and let's stopping the server and continue. The next we want to do is install the Vuetify plugin, and you do it to do this. Add Vuetify. It's very easy, and then press install. You can see it's installing the Vue CLI plugin Vuetify. We're just using the recommended. And you can see it's changed it, but I close it. And then we should be up and running. npm run serve. And then it's compiling. And then it should be up and running. Let's reload our page here again. Whoops. And then you can see that's how the design looked like in Vuetify. It's looked like a Google interface, and it's very clean and awesome. So easy to do for starting with Vuetify. I hope you want to subscribe my channel, and I hope you like it. Please add this video to your playlist and share it with your friends, and of course subscribe my channel. See you next time.